Hey all, welcome to the video. My name's Hayden Davidson. For those of you who do not know who I am, I predominantly sell on Amazon FBA, and I'm currently just in the process of building one of my brands, almost launching a second brand at the moment. In this video, I thought I would do a bit of an update from me and just explain my plans for Q2. So we're in the final day. Well, tomorrow is the last day of Q1, and we've got Q2 coming up very soon, very soon. So I thought I would explain in this video my plans for Q2. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, why not, and let's dive into the video. So let's dive into it. My plans for Q2. Now Q1 has gone very well for us, very well. The last month was phenomenal. I think Mother's Day helped us a lot because a lot of the stuff we sell is gifting items. And then January and February were okay. They were okay, nowhere near as good as Q4, obviously, that we just came out of. But they were okay, and generally speaking, Q1 has been good, and we sold a lot of products, made a nice chunk of change, and more importantly, grew the business nicely and got it to a next stage, learned a lot of lessons. And if you do that, I don't think you can expect two more at that stage. In an early-ish new brand sort of startup, that's what I'm starting to learn. But moving into Q2, the plans that we've got for Q2 are going to be exciting. So as I mentioned, we've got our brand at the moment, which is going well, but it's not a high-end brand; it's a normal brand. Okay, now it's sort of a mediocre brand, that your everyday products that you buy, sort of thing. Around the 20 to 25 sort of pound mark, which is it's not high-end, but it suits a specific need, which is fantastic. We're looking to up this. So some really exciting news is that I'm actually just about to launch a second brand. Now, some of you might be thinking, oh, why is he doing that when the other brand's going well? And don't get me wrong, it crossed my mind as well. But actually, talking to my coach, talking to the brand agency that I'm actually using to help me to launch this, it doesn't actually matter that I'm launching a second brand because it's going to be under the same Amazon seller account. Even though it's a different name, it's going to be the same seller account. So we're pretty much doing the same business. It fits into the current systems that we've got already, and that's the beauty of it. We're sending it with the same shipments. It fits in very nicely to our current procedure. So though it sounds like a big deal starting another brand, it's not once you know what you're doing. And the reason we're starting this is because we didn't think that me and my coach spoke about this, and we didn't think that fitting the current brand with the new brand was going to be right. I want to go high end. I want to go luxury on the new brand. The sort of £50 mark-ish per item. I can't do that under my other brand. It needs to be under our umbrella of brands, under my group, my company group, but it's not going to be the same brand. It's going to be a different one. So anyway, that's going to be so exciting. I'm so excited to do that. I'm not going to be rushing it. The details are going to be exciting. I'm going to be taking a lot of careful in the detail. It's going to be phenomenal products, and I'm really excited to launch that. So that's one of the big goals I've got for Q2. Launch at least one product, which is going to be a major product, a major contender. A lot of time and effort is going to go into it. Into Q2, I'm going to launch the first product with a new brand. So that's one of my biggest goals. So another goal I've got is to launch at least 6 more products, maybe 8 for the current brand that I've got, for the other brand. Because why not? And not all the products that I launch are a success rate, by the way. I'd say I've got about 70%, 75% success rate. Some of them don't work. It's painful, but I have to get over it, and I'm getting better and better as things go on. So that's another goal that I've got, just to launch some more products, carry on rinsing and repeating what we're doing, building up our own listings. Some more exciting stuff I've got. I'm actually attending some property investing training. I really want to get, hopefully, it's probably not going to happen in Q2, but maybe Q3. I want to get my first buy-to-let property investment, really. So I'm attending a property training course. I'm attending because I had credits on my account. Now, I'm going to be honest, because I said, I promise you guys I'll be 100% honest as much as I can on this YouTube channel. I don't really believe in spending thousands of pounds on courses at all. That sort of run to the back of the room course thing, I don't. However, I already had credits on my account for when I fell for that trick in the past. Therefore, I had a few thousand to spend on these credits. So I am going to a certain massive, very well-known educational company on property when am I going? I'm going beginning of May. So I'm doing that, and that's going to be really good. It's a 4-day event, and it's going to be awesome. Just teach me some more lessons about investing in property and things like that, which is where I want to dump some money that we've been lucky enough to make. So that's going to be exciting. And then just after that, I want to go away for a month. So I wanted to try a little bit of nomad lifestyle. So I'm going to go away for a minimum of 3 weeks to Portugal, maybe 4 weeks. Let me know in the comments below if you're an e-commerce seller and you want to sort of come along with us and say hello. I'm going with a friend as well. Well, meeting him out there. He's gonna rent a place as well, and we're gonna try and get little holiday homes sort of thing, apartments or whatever, and do a bit of a nomad for 3 weeks to a month. Not sure how long he'll be out there, but yeah, as I say, let me know in the comments below if anyone wants to come out and join us for a week or 2 weeks. And yeah, so that's going to be really exciting. I'm excited to get away, and obviously I'm going to vlog it on here too. Other than that, it's just going to be a case of trying to systemize the business a bit more. I'm still doing too much in the business, you know. As I say, we're lucky enough to be at a certain stage at the moment, but I'm still doing too much in the business. I need to outsource more. So a major thing that I'm going to do in Q2 is completely outsource the sort of discrepancies of the business, the issues with the suppliers, the stock not arriving in full, and then the prep side of things, the prep side of things, making sure that my business manager is in charge of all that sort of stuff, making sure that he can run all that himself without me having to get involved too much, because it just sucks up too much of my time, the admin tasks like that. And then I also want to promote him to not only the business manager, but actually be the purchasing manager as well. So I still do all the purchasing for the business. And this is quite a big task to outsource, but I've got to the stage where I fully trust him now. He's a fantastic guy. So I'm also going to start outsourcing the purchasing in Q2. And hopefully by the end of it, almost have it all outsourced. Hopefully. Might not happen, but hopefully. Other than sort of testing products, obviously, which I'm probably going to have to do. But yeah, and that means that I can just fully take a step back and focus on just, you know, new launches, focus on the new brand, focus on brands. And then another big goal of mine is to focus more on YouTube. I'm trying to be more consistent with YouTube because it's something that I want to do and I like to do it, and it's in my long-term goals. So that's it really. Spend more time with family, spend more time with friends, give myself a little bit more time in the sun. As I say, Portugal, I'm going to go off there. It's going to be phenomenal. Yeah, just going to try and live life a bit more. Getting summer starting, going to get in with the sun, you know, and just, yeah, try and work a bit more smart, less hard, you know. So yeah, I hope you are all literally doing phenomenal. Let me know in the comments how you're doing, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. So I will see you soon.